My name's Will Price. I'm one of the litigation attorneys here. I come from a background doing mostly medical malpractice and large catastrophic injury cases.
We have officially dedicated a medical malpractice division to Connecticut Trial Firm.
My name is Jake Kocienda. I'm an attorney here at Connecticut Trial Firm, primarily managing their medical malpractice division.
So medical malpractice is negligence on behalf of a healthcare provider. When you walk into a hospital, doctors are expected to act and treat you to a level of care that is reasonable. Sometimes doctors, for whatever reason, fall below that standard. We're here in those situations to protect patients who are victims of negligence.
Now that I'm here, I'm going to be sort of turbocharging it and really taking on some of the most serious and really biggest cases that they come across. We're going to turn that into a bigger part of what we do, but also improve the service and really help the clients here at Connecticut Trial Firm.
The team here didn't have any specific background like Will or Jake do, and so having these dedicated people that can truly see a case and understand its complexities and whether it's truly something we should go forward with, it's going to make a huge difference.